that, let's get you another blockbuster face-off as M.K. Stalin has now responded to Chief Minister Vijay, saying that there are many issues in the state and there are many answers that people are seeking from the Chief Minister, and instead the Chief Minister seems to be looking for me. So he said, don't search for me in the assembly, search for me in people's hearts. That's the response that has come in from the former Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. You'd remember that in the assembly, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay had not just made this cinematic gesture, but he also said another story, or told another story of a person who was looking for his father. Now, responding to that, M.K. Stalin has now responded. Dharini, what is Stalin's response? And it seems to be an emotional one, as he says, and equally filmy as well, because Stalin says, don't look for me in the assembly, look for me in people's hearts.
Well, remember during the assembly session that got concluded a couple of days back, Chief Minister Vijay made a sarcastic jibe at former Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. He said that M.K. Stalin is missing in the assembly, and he made this jibe very sarcastically that many from Vijay's own alliance, they criticized the Chief Minister for that particular act. And now M.K. Stalin has responded to this jibe from Chief Minister Vijay. M.K. Stalin says that Vijay should not be searching for him inside the assembly. Vijay should be searching for him inside the people's hearts, because schemes like Tamil Pudhalvan, Pudhimai Pen, and the monthly monetary assistance for women, all of that has reached each and every household in Tamil Nadu. And as long as these schemes are existing in Tamil Nadu, and as long as these schemes are being implemented in Tamil Nadu, that will automatically mean that M.K. Stalin is ruling the state, and that will automatically mean that M.K. Stalin is the Chief Minister of the state. So as long as my schemes exist, I will continue to rule Tamil Nadu, is what M.K. Stalin has told. And this is seen as a fitting rebuttal by the DMK to Chief Minister Vijay's earlier jibe that he made inside the assembly. So now with this comment from M.K. Stalin, the war of words between the TVK and the DMK has only intensified. Yes. And it is expected to be, of course, further intensifying in the coming days, considering the current, heated political circumstance.
Absolutely, and very filmy as well, clearly it looks like. Dharini, thank you for joining us with all those details.